In this video, I will be presenting two digital formative assessments that you can use to engage your students and know immediately where they are. Using these formative assessments will allow you to do a pulse check on your students and adjust the lesson immediately if needed. So, before we jump into learning about the assessments, Padlet and Flipgrid, let's talk about why these tools. These tools are very engaging for students. They give teachers immediate feedback. They're super easy to set up. And they can both be embedded or linked into other sites. And not to mention, they're both free. Flipgrid is a video-based discussion board. It allows teachers or students to lead. It gives students movie maker experience, and it can be used with any grade level. Padlet is a written discussion format. It's teacher-led, but it also has image and file uploading capabilities. And it's generally better for third grade or higher. Both Flipgrid and Padlet are engaging. They allow for peer interaction. That gives teachers immediate feedback, and it happens in real time. The first tool I'm going to show you is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an amazing tool that truly empowers students. Students are obsessed with videos these days, and this tool allows them to creatively engage with one another and the curriculum in the classroom. The first step is to go to flipgrid.com. Click on the educator sign up and create a free account. It only takes a few seconds. I'm going to click on educator login and log in with my email. From here, you want to click Create Your Group. The group will be your homeroom, the class that you're teaching, maybe it's math, maybe it's a reading class, maybe it's a science class. I click Create Group, and I'm going to name it Search First Grade. And you scroll down, and this is where you'll decide how you would like to add your students. You could add your students by using a student email, or you could create usernames for each of them. I'm going to click student email. Our county provides dummy emails for them. And we're going to click next. From here, you can duplicate your old topics, or you could click skip for now. At this point, it will give you your embed code or your link that you could use, but I'm going to go to the group first. And I want to create a topic or add a topic for this first grade group to do. From here, I'll add my title, Introductions. And down here, I'm going to type in my prompt or the directions. Introduce yourself to the class by telling us your favorite color, favorite food, and your favorite thing to do at school. At this point, this is where you could change the time. I think for a short introduction, I'm just going to set it to 45 seconds because sometimes too much time is too much time. And then I can click Create Topic. Your topic is ready to go at this point. You can click All Set. You can copy your embed link. You can get your code, your embed code. You can get your share to Teams, share it to Google Classroom, whatever format it is that you would like to choose to decide to share this with your students. I'm going to click All Set. And I wanted to show you something else that you could do. You can click on Add Topic Media here. And this is where you could record a video of yourself explaining what it is that you would like for your students to do. This is an awesome tool, especially for like the K2 range of students, because sometimes they're still learning to read. But also the 3-5 students just love to see their teachers on video. For this demonstration, I'm just going to click Add an emoji, a winky face, and update my topic. Here, we can click Share and get that code again, however we want. I can also go back and click Flipgrid, and it takes me back to my main page, my dashboard, we can call it, and all of the classes that I have are in here. My second and third grade, all through here. When you're at this point, you can change these by clicking the pencil to edit your group. You can change your name, your access control, or any of the things that you would like. You're allowed to click and drag another image in, or you could choose another one from what they have here, from their templates. This looks fun for first graders. So I'm going to click Update the Group. And now that's how my group looks. The next one I'm going to show you is Padlet. Another super and fun and engaging tool for students. It allows them to type, interact, and have discussions in real time. So the first step that you're going to want to do is go to Padlet.com. Next, you want to sign up for a free account. It's super easy and super fast. I'm going to click on Login because I have an account. Log in with Google, my email. Here's my dashboard of all of the Padlets I have active. For a new Padlet, I'm going to click Make a Padlet, and then I'm going to choose my layout. Grid appears to work best for me because of the ongoing real time, so I'm going to click Select. And this is how we modify the title, setting, and the description would be the directions for the students. What is the setting in a story? You could go down, you could change the icons, you can change your wall appearance, you can find pictures in here that could possibly make a theme. I'm going to choose the grass, go back. You can even have the option of adding your own picture. And then you can click Next. Now you're ready to start posting. Down here, when your students, this is where they would click a plus sign. And for their titles, I would suggest typing their name in. And they could answer the question, the setting in a story is where and when the story takes place. It also allows the students to come back and add to each other's responses. I want to show you how you can embed this. Here is a real Padlet. I'm going to click Share. And you can come down here and there are ways that you can copy a link, get the QR code, or an embed code. You could email it or share it on Google Classroom. Another way that you could use this is save it as an image or a PDF and use it for your data collection. I'm going to click on Embed Code, copy it, and then I'm going to copy this into our learning management tool that we use called Canvas. I would go in here and click Edit. I've already got all my activities set up because it's a warm-up activity. Click Edit. Click the Embed Code symbol. And then I'm going to copy and paste my embed code in. Hit Save. And now our Padlet is inside of the actual assignment. So there's no reason for students to ever have to leave my LMS. I hope you enjoyed these tools as much as I do.